With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So the question over here is, read the following statements P to T and select the option that correctly fills 1 to 5. Every statement has a blank given and the blank is filled with a number 1 to 5. We have to identify from the given below options, we have to identify which option or fits the best in these blanks. Alright, so let us first start with the first statement. Statement P. The male frog has a special organ on the throat called vocal sac. That's the vocal sac. Alright, so the first blank should have the vocal sac. First blank should have vocal sac. The male frog has a special organ on the throat region called the vocal sac, which helps in producing sound. The prominent sound that the frog makes, it is because of the vocal sac which is present in the throat region near the larynx. Alright, so the first answer should be vocal sac. Then coming to the second statement, statement Q, dash membrane is a part of the ear and it serves to receive the sound waves. This is nothing but the tympanic membrane. The tympanic membrane, also known as the eardrum, is responsible for collecting the sound waves. It receives the sound waves and as soon as the sound waves strike the tympanic membrane, it starts vibrating and the vibrations are sent to the inner part of the ear, which helps in analyzing the sound. Alright, which sends a signal to the brain and the brain analyzes the sound. Alright, so tympanic membrane is the part of the ear which serves to receive the sound waves. Alright, so second answer should be tympanic membrane. Then coming to the third statement, that is statement R. Dermis of the frog contains sac-like dash glands. So it is nothing but the mucus glands. The mucus glands present in the dermis layer of the frog's skin helps in keeping the frog's skin very moist and slimy. If we see the skin of the frog is very moist and slimy, that is because of the secretion of the mucus glands. The mucus glands continuously secrete mucus, because of which the skin surface of the frog remains moist, so that this moist surface of the skin can help in diffusion of respiratory gases, as we know that the frog also breathes through the skin region. So through the skin, what happens is the skin is maintained moist because of the mucus secretion by these mucus glands, because of which on the moist surface the diffusion of gases happens at a higher rate. So here in the third blank, the answer should be mucus glands. Mucus glands. Alright, mucus glands. Then coming to the fourth statement, statement S. Tongue of frog is bilobed. If you see the frog's tongue, it is bilobed. It has got two lobes which are separated from each other and which it has a partition in between. So the frog's tongue is bilobed. It has got two lobes. So the answer on the fourth blank should be bilobed. The frog's tongue is bilobed. Then coming to statement T. Dash respiration takes place in lungs on land. The pulmonary respiration. Pulmonary respiration is the respiration which is the pulmonary term. This term is used whenever we talk about the lungs, whenever we talk about something which is related to the lungs. So when the frog is present on the land, at that time it breathes through its lungs, right? And that type of respiration is known as pulmonary respiration. So the fifth blank should have the answer pulmonary. Pulmonary respiration takes place in the lungs. Alright, so these are the correct answers that should be filled in the blanks. If we can write the full statement, so we will write it over here with the correct answers. We will write again this complete statement. So statement P says the male frog has a special organ on the throat called vocal sac. So here is the first answer. Then let us come to the second statement, statement Q. Tympanic membrane is a part of the ear and serves and receives, serves to receive and serves to receive sound waves, alright. Then let us write the third statement, our statement. Dermis of a frog contains sac-like mucus glands, alright. Then let us come to the next statement, that is statement S. Tongue of a frog is bilobed. Tongue of a frog is bilobed. Alright. So this is the fourth blank. And finally the T statement, that is the last statement, that says the dash respiration takes place in lungs on land. So let us write that. Pulmonary respiration takes place in lungs on land. Alright. So this is the fifth blank that we have. Alright. So here we have completely filled all the 5 statements and their blanks. So now let us find out which of the option gives the correct sequence of the answer that we have found. So if we compare the sequence of our answers, it matches exactly with the option B. Vocal cord, vocal sac, tympanic membrane, mucous glands, bilobed and pulmonary. It completely matches with the answer that we have derived. So the correct answer for this question would be option B. So let us write the final statement. Hence, the correct answer is option B. Alright. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.